I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. Stop! 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 Put it in park! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your freaking hands up! Hands up! You put it in park!
Florida'da filmli camları yüzünden kenara çekilen Rocky Man'i Rudolph Memur Klein'in araçtan gelen madde kokusunu fark etmesiyle paniğe kapıldı. Birazdan bu panik onun felaketine dönüşecek.
Pull to the right side, please. Howdy. You mind putting down the back window, please, for me? All right, awesome. I'm Deputy Blaze with the Seminole County Sheriff's Office. Before I ask you any information, the reason I'm pulling you over is because your windows.
Rocky'nin yüz ifadelerine dikkatlice bakarsanız oldukça gergin ve sanki bir şey saklıyormuş gibi gözünü kaçırdığını görebilirsiniz.
Up here, way too dark per statute. Okay. So if you could do me a favor, just roll this window about halfway up. That's good. Right there. So in the state of Florida, the front window can be 25%, back window can be 15%, okay? The lower the number, the darker the tint. Your front window is measuring at 3%, okay? So
I thought it went by the back window. I thought
no. So as you can see, 3. What that means is only 3% of the outside ambient light is getting through your window. Okay, that's why they do that way. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? You can put this back down for me.
How's it going this morning?
What's that?
How's it going this morning, bro?
Living the dream.
I seen that.
Living the dream.
What the hell happened? I see you on the trail looking like what the hell happened?
2513. $1038, please. Rocky Money Rudolph Jr.
Yes, sir.
That name is awesome. That's probably, in 14 years, that is probably the best name I've seen. This is the application for a certificate of title.
Yeah.
This
is not too like.
This is the registration right here.
Okay.
It's saying it's I guess your birthday's probably on the 5th. Is it? Yeah. So ultimately it's technically expired.
Yeah.
But we don't cite for that. There's case law that says it goes to the end of the month.
Yeah.
So you need to get that changed.
Yeah, I will.
Right?
I'm doing this new project down here. That homeless community thing they doing.
Okay.
I'm building that there, working down there, building on that and stuff.
Okay.
So I be through the area all the time.
All right. Well, yeah. Make sure you get that updated. And do you have the insurance card?
Amerika'da polis rutin kontrolde ehliyet ve ruhsatla birlikte sigorta belgesini de ister.
Cause I did it over the phone and they supposed to fax everything over. And they sent it to my baby mama address, and I ain't been dealing with her. I got to probably go back there and get it.
Do you have an app or anything? You should be able to get it on an app if you've got you sign into the app.
Yeah.
I just gotta check and make sure it's good.
That's good. I just hate that sucker. That.
Why are you nervous?
Oh, I don't know. She just called.
Huh?
No, ain't no reason. I just got bad nerve. I ain't got no reason to be nervous. So. Just my nerves.
What's that?
Just I got bad nerves. So.
Okay. There's no need to be nervous, man.
Yeah, man. 'Cause I was wondering, you know, I was like, what the hell I did. I thought it was a light or something. Looking like, no, I ain't running the light.
10.
Yeah.
It's a pet peeve of mine. I was just trying to see where you were going because it's seriously unsafe to be pulling cars over there, man. So I don't ever do it.
That's what I was wondering. Like,
I try and follow somebody till they get in a safe area.
Oh, okay.
For me, you know,
Yeah.
and then I attempt to stop.
Trying to get to this hurricane. This page suck. I don't get on Facebook.
Yeah, we don't need Facebook
Infinity Auto Insurance.
unless you want to Facebook Live us and be like, hey.
You know, I'm gonna my email.
Might be a start.
I think it come to my email. Huh? I just paid it. I'm gonna my email when I'm speaking.
It's also going to be about time for you to get a new license.
Yeah, I know I get all that stuff straight now. I've been so busy, man.
Right? No,
I gotta take a day off.
I feel you. Y'all working today?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately, today being your day off, everything else is closed too.
This face sucks, see?
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, very nice. I faded already.
Awesome. All right. Mr. Rudolph,
Yes, sir.
is there any reason why there would be a faint of coming out of your vehicle? Do you smoke? Do you have any friends that smoke? Anything like that?
No, sir. Just black and mild. Probably black and mild smoke. Just black and mild.
No, I know the difference between black and mild smoke and this and that. Do you have any car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's no in the car at all? Okay. And do you have a Florida health card that allows you to smoke medical?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Florida'da doktor onaylı madde kartı $200 alınabiliyor ama Rocky gibi zeki insanlar hapis yatmayı tercih ediyor.
What's that?
Just left the Walmart up on.
Okay. Yeah, I did too. I had to go to the bathroom, something fierce.
Oh, that was you I seen back then. I just rolled through there.
You see me go in there, go to the bathroom, come back out.
Okay, I just rolled through and dropped the chick off at work in there. Yeah, okay. I seen the car back then, but I don't know. I was thinking that first thing in the morning.
All right. Can you do me a favor and just shut the car off for me?
Okay. What happened, sir?
Huh? Well, I smell, and you don't have a card, so I'm not. Listen. I'm not concerned with some personal use stuff, man. It doesn't even warrant my time.
Black and mild. I'm smoking a black and mild.
Right. Would you mind shutting the car off, please? Huh?
I'm smoking a black and mild.
I understand. Just shut the car off for me, please. Okay? All right. 2513 somehow. Step them up, please. It's no big deal. I mean, I'm not.
You gonna tell me from a
hey.
Bro,
listen. Do me a favor. I'm telling you right now. Stop! Put it in park. Put your hands up. Put your freaking hands up. Let me know you're just trying to take off with me. Step them up now.
Do nothing, please.
Sir, I'm telling you.
Why you doing
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands hands up. I swear to God. Push your hands up. You put it in park.
Tam bu noktada sicilinde 20 suç kaydı bulunan Rocky, kontrolünü kaybedip listeye yenilerini eklemeye karar veriyor. Polisten kaçmaya çalışan Rocky, bacağından yaralansa da gaza bastı fakat kısa sürede yakalandı. Araçta çalıntı bir tabanca ve 20 gram madde bulundu. Rocky polise saldırı, tabanca ve madde bulundurma ile kaçma suçlarından yargılandı. Mahkeme onu çoğundan suçlu buldu, savcılar ise 20'yi aşkın sabıkası nedeniyle alışkanlık haline getirmiş suçlu statüsüne alınmasını istedi. Sonuç olarak Rocky toplam 30 yıl hapis cezasına mahkum edildi. Bu tarz olayları kaçırmak istemiyorsanız kanala abone olmayı unutmayın.